The statistic that bothers me a lot is that 70 to 80% of businesses fail in the first 5 years. Now, this means that out of 10, 7 to about 8 businesses fail to make it through and become what we can call a successful business. Now, what bothers me the most about this is that it's not that they had a bad idea. The most important reason why they fail mostly is that they did not have a fundable business plan. So then, let's fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step what you need to include and what you need to do for you to create a business plan that is fundable. If you are a small entrepreneur or someone looking to go into business, securing funding will be a game changer in turning that idea into a successful business plan. Hello, my name is Kenneth Phiri, and I've worked with countless entrepreneurs, helping them to take their ideas from inception and into funded, successful businesses. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to take you step by step to show you exactly how to write your own business plan that investors will be willing to fund, which means we're basically concentrating on some of the things that you need to do and include in that particular business plan so that it is a fundable business plan. Let's get into it. The most important thing that you need to do is to prove there is demand. Now, proving that there is demand means that you have conducted market research on your idea, on your industry, on your sector, whether you have a solution that will address a current problem. Now, what I mean by that is that your business is only viable if it has a solution or it generates a solution to a problem that is out there. So this is what your investors or prospective investors are looking for. Does your business idea solve a solution? And is it able to do so over and over and over again? So knowing this then makes it a fundable business idea, because what you're basically saying is that there is always going to be demand. You are proving through your research that there is demand for your product or for your service offering, and wherever there is demand for a particular thing, money will always chase that particular solution. So this is exactly what investors want to see. So they will pour their monies if yours is a viable solution for an existing problem. The second thing is show them the numbers. Your business plan must be able to articulate the financial projections. Now, I've done so in a previous video. I will put that link in the description down below. Go and watch that video. But basically, what you are showing your investors is that you are able to turn that idea into a money generating a system. Okay, so you have the idea, and this idea, and then through the financial projections that you're showing, it could be your cash flow projections, your balance sheet projections, your income statement projections. All these should show how you're going to turn that particular amount that they give you and make it into something that will generate a return on the investment that they are pouring into your particular business. So basically, what the investor wants you to tell them is that you know exactly what or the amount of money that your business is going to make, or you've got a figure as to a prediction. But remember, you are still forecasting. You've got a forecast on how much money you intend to make. Now, not knowing how much money you're going to make means that investors are not going to trust you, because basically what is happening there is that you are not speaking the language of investors. The language of investors is that they want you to show them that you are sure of what you're saying, and you have figures backed with research, of course, to back that idea and turn it into something that they will be able to support with the right kind of financial support that you need to push your business idea forward. Number 3 is make it scalable. Making it scalable means that you need to have a business model. What you're trying to show them that is that your business is not a one-hit wonder. It is a scalable business. For instance, if they were to give you right now 500,000 rand, how are you able to take that 500,000 and turn it into a 5 million tomorrow or into whatever figure? However, whichever way you prove it, there must be a model that you are using to prove that you are able to turn what you have been given into something more. Always, investors are going into business to make more. Just like you're also, one of the reasons why you're going into business is so that you make profit. So, which means there has to be a financial gain, and that gain can only be seen if there is ability to take that idea and continuously scale it. The fourth thing that you need to show them now is how you will win. Now, this it can be housed in what you can call an execution plan or an operations plan. In the operations plans, like I said, you're showing the prospective investors how you're going to win. You're showing them exactly how you're going to get customers. How are you going to promote the business? How are you going to win a market, a share, and so forth? So you're basically looking at the implementation part of the idea. Is this idea something that can be put into action? So there has to be an action plan of turning whatever goals you have in that particular business plan into something that can be done. And this must be something that is feasible in the current economic climate and for that particular business and its size and the resources that are available to you. Are you able to put it into action so that you get the right kind of results which you're promising your prospective investors? Number 5 is the final pitch. You need to tell your story. Now, a lot of investors don't really invest in businesses. What they are investing in is they're investing in people. Is your story strong? If your story is strong enough and you're able to articulate your story. Now, this is the beginning part in terms of convincing them that you are able to turn this idea into a successful business. Remember, the art of business basically is like telling a story. Are you able to tell a story about your product, about your idea, so that someone else believes in what you're offering and they are able to part with their money? This could be seen in the way that you want to advertise, in the way that you want to promote your very own idea or product. Are you able to produce a strong story? If you want a free business plan checklist, please download for free. The link is down in the description below. And if you need guidance to create or to generate your very own specific business plan for your business, just leave a comment or click the link down below and book a free consultation. Otherwise, leave a comment, subscribe, like the videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.